Did Jackson get in the walker today?
No. He did walk quite a bit today. Okay, so I got a lot of it.
How did you do it?
I stoned it, but yeah, I didn't get all of it. I mean, yeah. Alright, well. I got some of it, you know, a lot of it, I didn't get all of it. That's a hard read, you know.
Oh, yeah.
I got a lot of it, I mean, I wish a lot of it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Come from the dishwasher, that thing from Amazon that the plumber asked you to do?
Yeah, but that wasn't from Amazon, it was from them directly. 3 to 7 business days is what. Hey, brush teeth. Brush teeth. Mom doesn't do the brush teeth right now. Hey, Jackson.
Jackson, you're running brush your teeth with Dad.
Brush teeth with Dad, then Mom changes.